$5. I bid $250 and now 5 Carlos at $250. No dear, no $5.95. No dear, no $250. No dear, no $55. Sell $250, $21 and $90. No $2, no $200, no $2. At $190, no $2, $295. At $190, no dear, no $5 and no $90. No dear, no $5 and no $95. What do they want? $95. At $190, no $5. Bid John at $190, no $5. $175. $150, $160. I got Jake at 50, you boys right out, $160, $150, $60, and $150, $160, $160, $70 here, $170, now $80, and now $90 here, $190, $190, $85, and now $85, and then $90, $190, John, gonna be $90 here, $190, and $185, and then $90 here, $90, put them on $90, sold them $185, put them on 21, put them on 3, 21 on 3. Look at the black face shoe there, 200, 210, at 210, down to the 210, $1 here, 210, at 210, the 150 on a black face shoe, 160. Yeah, 160, 150, 60, and now 70, 170, and now $80 here, and the $90 here, 190, 190, 190, at 180, and $90 here, and the 90 for the paper, $100 here, $90 here, 185. David, 185 to 90, 185 to $90 here, 5, 195, and 195, $95 here, now 90, 95, 95. So 190, put her on 21 on 5. Pretty nice coat right there. Here, $500 here, now 5. We're looking at $500 here, now 200 and a quarter. At $200 here, now 25 and a quarter here, now $200 here, now quarter. At $200, they got the hardest part done. They got the holder on 2.5. I got a quarter, now half, and a $215 over here. At $215 over here, now they got him haul broke, and now 75, and now 300. At 3 and a quarter here, now 25 and a quarter here, now 3 and a quarter, half. At 350, and now 75 over here, now $400 over here, at 400 and a half here, now 450, over here, now 450, at 450, over here, now 50, over here, now 450, 500, at 500 over here, now quarter, at 500 and a quarter here, now 500 over here, now quarter, your turn, 525, 550, 550, at 550, over there, now 50, over there, now 550, 75, and now 600 over here, now 600 over here, now 600, you get down here, I got 575, $600, and 6 and a quarter here, now quarter half, and now 650, and 625, and now 50, over here, now 50, over there, now 650, anybody else? 650, sold for $625, show me the number, 881, give us a couple of minutes, we'll set up, huh? Oh, I got another horse coming in, excuse me. I'll let the boys come through. 80, 82 and a half. Here, $1.80, $1 here, now $2 and a half, here, down here, $1 here, $1, now $2, $3 here, $4. And $1.83 here, $4, $1.84, $1 here, now $3, $4. $1.83, $4, $1.84, and a $5, $1.85 over here, now $84, $5. And $1.84, and a $5, $1.85 over here, got 184, 185 anybody else. And 184, $5, $1.85 over here, 5, and you get 5 here, now $6 over here. And 186 over here, now 6 here, now 85, 86 over here. And we'll turn him just one time, Brett, 185, 186. He's gentle. He's gentle. 185, 186, here comes around. At 185, and now 6, up in the message, just now 7, over here, now 87, now 8. At 189, up in the 89, here, now 89, over here, now 90, now 1. And now 90, over here, now 1, over here, 91, over here, now 90, now 1, over here, now 91, over here, now 91. 191, so 190, put him on 585. Oh, Chief.